Object is
Object is
note.
notebook.
Yes, note. Yes. So you know about so what happens in the voice? No, it tells about the relationship between the subject and the object. Okay, I ate food. I ate food. Here, what is the
Sir, we have to write
subject?
this in the notebook.
So subject is I,
I
and object is good.
I.
Sorry, food.
Very good.
Sir,
So in this way, when the how to know sentence is active or passive. Suppose I will say food was eaten by me. Any change in meaning of the sentence? I ate food. Food was
It is
eaten by
passive
me.
voice.
Any change in meaning? No change in meaning. Only I have changed the
The
subject and the
object
object.
comes first in the passive voice.
Yes. So this is called active. I ate food is active, whereas food was eaten by me passive. So the first sentence was active. I ate food, and they have submitted the notebook active. Suppose I will write notebook was submitted by Neha. It is passive.
passive
It is
voice.
passive.
Yes, passive voice. So for passive voice I am writing P. For active voice I am writing A. A and P. A for active, P for passive. Clear? So voice refers to the relationship between the subject and the object. One. Clear? Then
Just
how to
noted,
know whether it is
So by object
subject,
and
whether it
subject.
is object. So when the subject of the sentence himself does the action and have more importance, it is active. For example, I ate food. I am the doer of the action. I am eating, and I am given more importance. So I is active. Okay, I will write down for your convenience. Have you noted down, children? Shall I rub?
No,
Shall I
Yes, sir,
rub
you
the
can rub
notebook?
it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Okay, 1 second. I am waiting. Please note down.
Noted, sir. Noted, sir.
Yes, yes.
Noted, sir.
Okay.
Noted, sir.
Noted, yes. So when the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action, doer means himself or herself does the action, doer of the action. It is called active. When the subject of the sentence becomes the receiver of the action, it is passive. So two rules I told. First one is that it is the doer of the action in the active, in the passive it is the receiver of the action.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Okay.
sir.
Good morning,
So,
sir.
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Yes,
Good
yes.
morning, sir. Good morning,
So
sir.
what is the meaning of do here?
Sir, what
Okay,
is
I am
page
asking
number?
you, don't worry.
What is the meaning of one? Sir, page number.
Okay, I have written your name, don't worry.
Sir is doing grammar.
Okay, grammar. Written no, shall I rub?
Yes,
I
sir.
am,
Yes, sir.
I am waiting for
Sir,
you.
Yes, sir. You can write, sir.
Okay, we will go to the next one.
Sir, you can write, sir. You can rub the board.
So some sentences I will write from active to passive I will make, you will have some idea. Okay.
okay, sir.
Ram killed Ravan.
Active voice.
Ravan was
Killed by Ravan. It is passive voice.
passive
Passive
voice.
voice.
Number two, I repaired my cycle. I repaired my cycle. Cycle was repaired by me.
Second one is passive voice.
Yes.
And the first
So,
one is active.
yes, I ate food. Food was eaten by me. So, in this manner, this is the subject-object relationship changes when you change from active to passive. So, this subject, this is the object, and the subject became the object. See, subject of the active became the object of the passive. Clear? Object of the active became the subject of passive. What are the changes?
Done,
Which are done. So,
Sir,
here,
can we say that?
what happened? See the
Yes,
rules.
sir. Sir, can we say that if in a sentence a past participle comes
Yes, verb
it
remains in
become a
past
passive
participle.
voice?
Yes, tell clearly. Tell clearly, no problem. So the first rule is that, okay, see, when to change from active to passive, the first rule is that the subject of the active becomes the object of the passive. First rule. The subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. One. Second one, the object of the active becomes the subject of the passive. And the verb remains in past participle. The verb remains in past participle. So three rules I will write.
Okay.
Three rules I will write. You note down when you change from active to passive. Okay. For subject I am writing as the subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive.
किंजल किंजल मुझे अभी काम इंग्लिश का एक नहीं हुआ था मेरा
Yes. The subject of the active becomes the object of the
Sir,
passive.
is it rule 1?
Rule 1, yes. Rule 2, the object of the active becomes the subject. Rule 1, I wrote. Rule 2, active becomes the subject of the active.
किंजल माइक ऑफ
Okay.
Devjot and Ginja, please mute your mic.
Third one, the verb always. Among you don't talk. Among you don't talk. The verb remains in past participle. Remains in past participle. So I have taught you verb. Verb is taught for tense of the verb. So participle I have taught perfect and participle tense. There you see the verb remains in past participle. Three rules if you observe, we will not be wrong while making from active to passive. Okay.
Done.
Please note down. I am waiting.
Noted. Noted, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
No, sir.
So now, how to change voice in different tense? We will see. You see, tense means what?
Sir,
Tense
please
means.
don't rub.
Okay, okay, I am waiting.
Done, sir.
Done. Yes, yes. Let all
Done,
of
sir.
you do. We will move to the next. Or let all of you write.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
waiting.
sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, I prepared the tiffin. The tiffin was prepared by me.
सर पास्ट के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Past participle. Past participle.
Noted, sir.
P-A-R-T-I-C-I-P-L-E. P-A-R-T-I. Okay, okay, wait. Don't be impatient. P-A-R-T-I-C-I-P-L-E. Okay, participle. Participle, you know how to change.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see tense wise how the active becomes passive. Tense wise you will see. Okay. So, for example, suppose the verb in the active is the doer. Doer below. Doer of the action you write down. Earlier I had written, I have wrote doer of the action you write. Doer of the action means one who does the action. One who does the action. It's called doer of the action. Okay. Now we will see tense wise how the voice changes.
Third one of the slide.
Okay. Now you see. So how tense wise? Tense means what? Tense refers to the time. You know, in grammar, all names are nouns. All names are nouns. Clear? All actions are verbs. Verbs. And suppose naming word noun. Any name is noun. Action words verb. See, eating, laughing, jumping, falling down, reading, sleeping, any action you tell, that is coming under verb. Then modifier. Modifier means which changes the modifiers are two. Noun modifier. Noun modifier is called adjective.
Adjective.
For
Describing
example,
words.
for example, boy I will tell, naughty boy. So I added one quality to the noun. It is adjective. Naughty boy.
Adverb.
Man, old man. It is adjective.
Old man, young man, old.
Okay, noun modifier is adjective. And verb modifier is adverb.
Adverb.
Verb modifier is
Adverb, adjective.
okay, adverb. Understood? So suppose
Sir, example of adverb is
he is walking, but he is walking slowly. So slowly is modifying the verb walking. It is adverb. But she is a girl. She is a beautiful girl. It is adjective. Understood?
Adjective.
So all naming words are nouns. All names nouns. All action words are verbs. Okay. Then two modifiers are there. Noun modifier is called adjective. verb modifier is called adverb. Clear? Clear? No? You
Yes,
understood?
sir, understood.
Doubt is there?
I know.
Yes. Any doubt is there?
Yes, understood. Noted.
No doubt.
No,
Very
No,
good.
sir. No doubt.
No, sir, now
Now you see.
Noted, sir.
Okay. So let us go to tense. So tense means what? Time of the action.
The time.
At what time the
Time and work.
yes, that is the tense. So tense refers to tense of verb. Refers
There
to
are three types of tense.
time. See, I am eating. Which tense? I am eating which tense?
Sir, eating,
I am
Present
eating.
continuous.
Present continuous.
the present continuous.
Present continuous. Present.
I am
Sir,
eating.
Sir, present continuous tense.
Simple present. Past continuous tense. Past continuous
Sir,
tense.
past continuous
Very good.
tense.
I will be eating.
Future continuous tense.
Sir, future continuous tense.
Future
No, in
continuous.
English, three tenses are there. See, present, past, and
Present,
future.
past, and future.
Very good. Now you see, you know it. So in tense change, how the verb is changing, I will tell you. Suppose the active voice is present tense. What will be the passive? So this is present tense. I write books. This is simple present. I write books. It is active or passive? Active or passive?
Active.
Active,
Very good. If I make it passive, books are
written by me.
Written by me.
written.
Book written by me.
Very good.
Sir,
I
books are written by me.
Each verb has
It will
three
be
forms:
passive.
write, wrote, written. Eat, ate, eaten. So it becomes past
Then,
participle.
सर पास्ट
Yes.
पार्टिसिपल हर सेंटेंस में आता है क्या?
No, if you change the voice, if you change the voice, verb will be in past participle.
Then
और sentence में नहीं आता. If you make it passive, then only it comes. Suppose
सर आपने जो भी सेंटेंस लिखा है वो सिंपल है. मतलब सिंपल पार्ट.
no, not simple. It is pure grammar. So I have written books. If you make it
I have written books.
books have been written by me. It is passive. So this is active.
Have written by me.
Have been. Been is used.
Book was
If
written by
had
me.
or had been. See, if in the active have or had is coming, in the passive been will be used. Been. Okay. Please mention. Understood. Very good. I will write books.
the books will be written by me.
Yes, books will be written by me. Correct. So three examples I gave you how the tense of the sentence changes if we make from active to passive. For example, I wrote one simple present. I write books. If you make it passive, it is active. If you make passive,
sir.
books are written by me. Passive. For example, if I have or had is with active, been will be used. I have written books. Books have been written by me. And will or shall will be there is there. Be will be used with the helping verb. because will or shall are helping verbs, auxiliaries. With it, be will be used. So I will write books. Books will be written by me. It is active. It is passive. Please note down. We will go to the further.
Noted, sir.
Noted, sir.
Okay, please.
Noted,
Please
sir.
note down. Noted.
Noted, sir.
Shall I read or read?
Sir, rub the board. Done, sir.
Sir, you can rub.
Shall I rub?
Sir, you can rub, sir.
Yes, sir, you can
No,
rub.
sir.
Okay, John.
No, sir.
Somewhere not writing.
Sir.
Arey, no fighting, please.
Okay,
We are here for studying, not for fighting. Okay.
okay.
ले लो.
Okay. So, some other rules are that suppose I will say she had eaten. How to make it passive? It cannot be passive. Why? It is the
There is no object.
yes. It is the
You can write food instead of
intransitive
eating.
verb. There are two types of verbs, transitive and intransitive. So in intransitive verb, 2 plus verb. Here no, directly intransitive verb is there. So the
The
form of the
direct object
verb.
or indirect object only.
Yes, cannot be changed. Okay, this is one more rule. Then you see,
And sir, intransitive word do not need any object.
yes, no object because it is intransitive verb. It does not require an object. So if we change the voice also, it will be same. It will not change. Then you see imperative sentence. Yesterday I told you imperative. Yesterday I taught you imperative sentence means
Yes, sir.
Positive sentence and negative sentence.
To imply.
and negative means that is affirmative negative. But imperative I told no. Suppose if the activity is there, open the door. How will you make it passive?
So any command, any order, any suggestion is the imperative sentence.
Yes, it is understood. If you make it passive, let the door be open. Be open. So it is active, it is passive. Clear? Another example, pick up the stick. Pick up the stick. Active. Let the stick be
Let the stick be picked up.
picked up, not pick up. Because as I told you, always the passive will be in past participle verb. That's why we are writing like this.
Okay, sir.
Suppose I will say, keep the books on the table. Make it passive. Keep the books on the table.
Let
Who will make
the
it?
books be kept on the table.
Don't
Sir,
shut
let
the
the
door.
books be kept on the table.
Correct. Let's shut the door. Shut the door. How will you make it passive?
Let the door be shut.
Be shut. 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 Shutted. There is no word called shutted. Okay. Then you see, don't hit the dog. I will write don't.
Sir, side, please.
Okay. Don't hit the dog. How will you make it passive? Don't hit the dog. How will you make it passive?
Let do not hit the dog.
Let the dog not be hit. the dog. Let
Sir,
the
means
dog.
in imperative sentence, the starting of the sentence with
Otherwise it becomes odd. No. Let the dog do not hit. What is it? Let the dog not be hit. Not be hit.
बंद हो गई.
Okay, this is the example. Some example will come like this. We have to write.
Written, sir.
some
Then
more
next
examples.
type. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
डन सर. सर आपकी वीडियो ऑफ हो गई. डन सर.
Okay, there is another rule. I will come to that.
सर अगर इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव फॉर्म में सेंटेंस और हमें इसको पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हम कैसे करेंगे?
करेंगे ना. Don't shut the door. Negative है. Don't shut the door. You are let that door not to be shut.
सिर्फ बस नॉट लगा देंगे.
हाँ. Yes. Let suppose ऐसा है sentence. Work hard.
सर नॉट टू बी शट आएगा क्या? नॉट टू बी.
Yes. Work hard. No subject is there. How will you change the voice?
यस सर.
Okay. Suppose advising you are advised. See, like this also we have to make because there is no subject. We are inventing the subject.
पलक don't present your screen.
Yes, you are advised because subject is not there. What we have done? We have made the subject. Suppose I will say, please come here. See, this is advice. Under advice, if we change the tense, it will be you are advised to see. I have written the answer also. You write down.
ओके सर.
Okay.
Sir, do not rub the board. मेरे लैपटॉप में कंप्रेसेंट है.
क्या है ये?
हो गया.
Calligraphy.
मैं फिंगर से कर रही हूँ.
डन सर. नॉट डन सर. डन सर. सर डू नॉट.
सर अगर हमें इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में कोई सजेशन या फिर कोई सजेशन दिया गया तो हमें पहले यू आर
Yes,
एडवाइज
you can write. Advise you can write because you know that is all. As I told you, it is coming under imperative. Now let us go to interrogative. Interrogative means you.
Then sir.
Yes, I will wait. Okay, okay, children, I will wait. Don't worry, I will wait.
डन सर.
We will go to interrogative now. Okay. This is for the
Done sir.
suppose interrogative sentence. Interrogative. So, as I told you yesterday, in interrogative always question mark is there.
asking questions and answering.
Yes. When you will accept the offer. Suppose this is the active voice. When you will accept the offer, make it passive. How to make it passive? Who will make?
Let you accept the offer. Let you
Okay.
accept the
No. If you make it accept.
So
When?
when will be the offer to be accepted?
Very good. When will the offer be accepted? When will the
will be
offer be? When will the offer be accepted? This is the answer. So, in case of interrogating, somebody was asking, no, how to make it? You have made it. Interrogative, this is active, this is passive. This I am writing A, this I am writing P. Clear? Then you think,
Yes, sir, clear.
where did Rahul? Where did Rahul leave the bag? Keep the book. Where did Rahul keep the bag? Book. Make it passive. Where did Rahul keep the bag?
So when
So where will Rahul keep the book?
Make it passive. It is active. Make it passive. Make it passive.
where did
Where
book
will
kept by the Rahul?
Where was the book kept by Rahul? Yes. Where was the? This is active.
Yes, sir.
Then passive I am writing. Where was the book? Kept by Rahul. Kept by Rahul. So question mark will be remaining. Question mark we cannot remove because this is not speech. This is voice. Okay. This is voice change. We cannot remove the punctuation. Punctuation will remain. Okay. So question mark is there. Where did Rahul keep the book?
Why you write was?
Yes. Because you may know in speech we are changing the punctuation, but in voice we cannot change. Please note down.
noted, sir.
Okay. Now I will ask you. You will tell me the sentence is active or passive. I will ask you to note down. Then I will ask.
Noted.
Noted, sir.
Okay. Go to written.
Noted, sir.
Noted, sir.
Now first sentence. Just to tell me, active means A, passive means B. The boy was bitten by a dog. Passive or active?
Passive. Passive.
Correct.
Passive.
Who is telling active? Arey, it is passive. Was bitten is there? No.
Sir, passive.
Yes. How to know? Because if you see the verb is in past participle. It is passive. Verb, you see, verb is in past participle. It is passive. Second one, Taj Mahal was built by Shahjahan. Taj Mahal was built by Shahjahan.
Passive.
Passive. Passive.
Sir, passive.
Passive, yes. Sumitra is eating apple.
Sir, active.
Yes.
Sir, active.
Active.
Sir.
Okay. The teacher scolded Ravi.
Sir,
The
active.
teacher
Active.
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 Yes. The room was cleaned by my friends. The room was cleaned by my friends.
Passive. Passive.
Passive.
Are some are telling passive, some are telling active. How?
Sir,
How I
passive.
will know? Passive was
It is
cleaned.
passive.
Past participle, so it is passive. Then she will make a English worksheet.
Active.
Active.
Yes.
Active.
Oh, very good children.
Active voice.
Prasad brought some rose flowers.
Active.
Active or passive? Prasad brought some rose flowers. Brought. Noima, you are wrong. It is active.
Active.
I am also telling wrongly. Active, not passive. Ah, now you changed your answer. Ah, okay. Teacher wrote something on the blackboard.
So
Teacher
active.
wrote something.
Active.
Ah, very good. It is active. So, okay. Did you understand what is active, what is passive?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah, very good. So today in Google, I will send you. I will send you some sentences. You will write A for active, P for passive. Today I will send in the evening.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
I have a problem. Sir, I have a problem in imperative sentence to convert it in a passive voice.
Thank
Which
you, sir,
one?
for teaching us.
Okay, tell me your. Ah,
What is this?
tell the sentence.
Thank you, sir, for
Tell-
teaching us.
Orders.
Thank you, sir, for
Order
teaching
or
us.
a
Bye-bye,
command.
sir.
Oh, who is that?
For teaching us.
Arey, somebody had a problem. You tell me no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So three basic rules to
English,
what happened? Syllabus.
yes, sir.
I will tell you. I will tell after make time is there. I will tell you on
The grammar portion भी आएगा
in
इस
the
syllabus
WhatsApp
में?
group.
Hey, see, direct grammar will not come unedited. I will tell you on 15th. I will tell. 15 तारीख में बताऊँ. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So three rules you remember. One is that when the subject is the doer of the action, it is active, and subject is given more importance. When the object is more important, it is passive. And three rules are that when we change from active to passive, the subject of the active becomes the object of the passive. The object of the active becomes the subject of the passive. The verb remains in the past participle. Then I told you in imperative sentence, how the structure of the words they change and how the tenses change. I told you. Please.
For teaching us. Bye-bye, sir.
Please remember, next time we will do some more grammar and writing exercise. Writing I will do next time. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for teaching us. Bye-bye,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you for teaching.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
सर की क्लास खत्म होने के बाद लंच पीरियड है.